shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2013 Scion FR-S. Today we're reviewing the 2013 Scion FR-S. This particular model wrapped in a blaze red. For the length 166 inches, height 50 inches. You have a wheelbase of 101 inches with a ground clearance of 3 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder aka 4-banger pushing out 200 for the torque, 151 at 6,000 RPM for the 0 to 60 in 6.7 seconds for the MPG highway, 34 city, 25. Let's hear the sound of it. Right here we're looking at 17-inch alloy wheel with disc brakes in all 4 corners. Now we are making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with red and black bucket seats. Right here we're looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH. On the right, you have your gas gauge with your engine temp. In the middle, you have your RPMs. The buttons right here are your MPH/kilometers, the odometer, trip, and your display. Now we're bringing it back to your leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the column steering wheel, you have your cruise control with your wiper, alongside your turn signal with your headlights. The buttons on the left side of the steering wheel are your interior dim with your trunk release. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your traditional key ignition. You're rocking with the aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen display. Now we're bringing it down to your hazard light with your digital clock alongside your climate control. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 6-speed manual transmission. Behind the shift knob, you have drive mode with traction control. You have your emergency brake lever. You have your cup holder area with your 12-volt outlet. And your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're looking at 29 inches leg room. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring that 6.9 cubic feet. Wow, you can put some groceries back here. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2013 Scion FR-S. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you